Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are showing you how to make past questions in English in conversation. So it will be the easy way, I guarantee that, so it will not be difficult. Let's go together. Okay, how to ask follow-up questions. This is super important in English. Now, here's a situation. On Monday morning, you meet a friend and you say, "Hi, did you have a nice weekend?" And your friend says, "Yes, I went hiking." You say, "Oh." No, don't say, "Oh." You cannot do that because there is a basic conversation rule. The basic conversation rule says you must ask 2 or 3 questions related to his or her hiking trip. If you don't do this, your friend will not like you. Okay? So let's replace the O by 2 or 3 questions. Okay? You got it? Now, how do we make questions? You have to use the given verb to make easy questions. But you must use the basic form. So in this case, the given verb is went hiking. But the basic form is go hiking. So we are going to use go hiking. So we put it right here, go hiking, and it is the verb. It is the action. Now, there are many question words that you can use. I give them to you right here. So for example, you could say, where go hiking. Okay, now where go hiking, if you say this, it is not correct, but people will understand you. So it's not so bad. Where go hiking, people will understand. But if you add this in the middle, where did you go hiking? You have a perfect past question. This is how to do it. Simple, right? How about this one? Why go hiking? What do you put in the middle? Did you? So why did you go hiking? Excellent question once again. How about this one? What comes next? Did you go hiking with? Okay, now who is a special case? You see it here, who with. So who did you go hiking with? We finish with. I know you're gonna tell me this is a mistake. Yes, it is a mistake, but it is what English speakers say. Whom did you go hiking? Oh, with whom did you go hiking? And not many people say that. So who did you go hiking with is much more normal. Okay? Good. Now, you notice in the question words, what cannot be used. What did you go hiking doesn't make sense. Which did you go hiking doesn't work. How often did you go hiking doesn't work, because with how often, usually we say, how often do you go hiking? Okay, good. Same thing with how many. How many do you go hiking? How much do you go hiking? Not so good. So these ones were not possible. Okay, now here's another situation. Hi, did you have a nice weekend? Yes, I had dinner at a nice restaurant. Now, your turn. You must ask 2 or 3 questions. You remember, what is the given verb? Had dinner. So, but you must use the basic form. Have dinner. Okay, we're going to use this. Have dinner is your verb. Good. Once again, the question words are there. Good. You ready? What question can you make? Maybe you can say, where, what comes after? Did you? Where did you have dinner? Good question. Why did you, wait, why did you have dinner is a little bit strange, right? Because I was hungry. Why did you have dinner? But we can say, why did you have dinner there? Now it makes more sense. Why did you have dinner there at that restaurant? You can also say, who did you have dinner with? That's also a good question. So you see, now if your friend said, oh yes, I had dinner at a nice restaurant, you can ask 2 or 3 questions super easily just by using have dinner as a verb. Where did you have dinner? Why did you have dinner there? Who did you have dinner with? 3 excellent questions. Okay, now in this case, which doesn't work. How doesn't work. Okay, how often is the same, and how many, how much is the same. They don't work in this case. Now let's go to another situation. Hi, how was your weekend? Great, I played computer games all weekend. Okay, now play is your verb, right? Okay, I played computer games, so play. Good. You can say play computer games, but that's okay. But now, okay, the question words are here. What can you use? Here's a difficult one. What did you play? You can say what did you play? It's okay, but you can also say what games did you play? Okay? What games did you play? You can also say which games did you play? Good. That works fine. In this case, you cannot say which did you play. You must have games. But what did you play is okay, and what games did you play is also okay. Another one. How many hours did you play? How many hours did you play? And you can also say how many games did you play? So usually with how many, we always add a noun to complete the idea. How many hours? How many games? How many people? Okay, good. In this case, how often did you play doesn't work because how often do you play? Okay, how did you play? How did you play is a little bit strange for a question. Okay, good. And that's it. Nice. Now, here's another situation. Hi, how was your weekend? Great, I went on a date. Okay, now here are the question words, and now it is your turn. You have to make 3 questions. Let's go. Did you manage to make 3 questions? Let's see if you got the right answers. Okay, so there we go. So in this case, what was not possible, which wasn't possible, how often were not possible, and how many, how much they were not possible. So where, why, who, and when were possible questions. So let's go with the first one. Where, what did you say? Where did you, the basic verb, so went, the basic verb is go. So where did you go on a date? On a date is optional. Where did you go is good. Where did you go on a date is also excellent. Next one, who? Who did you go on a date with? Don't forget the with at the end. Why? Why did you go on a date? And you could also say when. When did you go on a date? Excellent. Did you get the right answers? I hope so. Let's go with a different situation. Hi, how was your weekend? Great, I went shopping. So one more time, I give you the question words, and it's your turn to ask 3 questions. Let's go. Okay, let's see what you have. Now, in this case, here are the ones that were not possible. Okay, good. So these ones were not possible. So or not so good. So now let's go with the first one. Where? So where did you go shopping? Where did you go shopping? Who did you go shopping with? Why did you go shopping? Of course, when is also possible. When did you go shopping is also okay as well. But it was during the weekend. Good. Did you get the 3 questions right? I hope so. Now, let's go with this one. Hi, did you have a good weekend? Not bad. I just cooked at home. Okay, now it is your turn. You ask me 3 questions and there is no help this time. Let's go. Did you manage it? Now let's see if you got the right answers, okay? So the question words are here, and which was not possible, and these ones were not possible either, okay? How often, how. Now the question word, let's go with what? What did you cook? What did you cook? Super simple. Or what food did you cook is also good. Who? Hey, wait a second. Who did you cook? No. It doesn't work. Who did you cook is not good, but who did you cook with? Don't forget the with. Why? Why did you cook? And also, how much food did you cook? Is also a good question. So now you see, you can make questions always with the verb that is provided by the person. And this will save you a lot of headaches. Good? Good job, guys. Hey, I give you one more. How was your weekend? Great. I watched YouTube all weekend. Oh, what did you watch? Of course, you watched English Speaking 360. Don't forget to like us, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.